All right, guys, we just returned from a trip to Thailand. It was a culinary adventure, and we had a great time. I want to share some of the recipes that I learned, and this is going to be the first video in the Do You Talk Thai series. This is a coconut chicken soup called Tom Kha Gai. Good paleo. We're gonna start off with a 19-ounce can of coconut cream in a hot wok. Look at that. And then about 10 ounces of just light coconut milk. From there we've got ginger. 1, 2, 3, about 5, 6 slices. I'm gonna set that in there. And this stuff won't be eaten. It's just there to infuse flavor. And we'll leave that in the bowl when we eat the soup. We also have some lemongrass here. Just use the lower third of the stalk, cut it on an Asian bias cut. Get that in there. And then some shallots. Be a little handful of shallots, about like that. What else do we want to put in there? Let's go with some chilies, all right? We have some here, and then you can scrape the seeds out here if you don't want it spicy, okay? I like it kind of spicy, so I'm gonna leave some of them in. All right, chilies in. Look at that color, huh? You guys see that? And then we have about just over 2 cups of mushrooms. Gonna get those going in there too. We're gonna bring this one up to a simmer and let these mushrooms cook a little bit. Next thing we're gonna do is we have some kaffir lime leaves. We're gonna take the stem right here out of the lime leaf. So just the flesh of the leaves, we'll get that going. We're giving that a stir. Mushrooms are looking good. They're maybe about halfway cooked. At this point, I'm gonna add some chicken. It's just about 10 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast cut into little chunks. We'll stir that in, and then some fish sauce. This stuff's like ketchup in Thailand, all right? I thought I'd see some soy sauce there, but didn't really see that much. They pretty much use fish sauce for everything. And I'm thinking 1 to 2 tablespoons of that. Check this out, my coconut ladle from Thailand. I'm gonna use that to serve this up. But next step will be to add some cilantro. I'm gonna cut this in half, something roughly like that, and then we'll save a couple sprigs for garnish. And same thing with the onion. Come across here, get our cilantro going in there. Oh, yum. Yum, yum, yum. It's so good. There's a little bit of heat there. Nice creamy coconut. You can get a little bit of the chicken in there. You got the lemongrass, the ginger, it's all going on. So at this point, I'm gonna cut the heat. I'm confident that the chicken is cooked. And then I'm gonna finish with some lime juice. All right, guys, there you had it. It was so simple. Thai food is that way. You're gonna find in the coming videos. And what I want you to do is give this one a try. It's a great way to start with Tom Kha Gai. I'm Paleo Nick, as always, doing what I can to help you keep it paleo.